the medical imaging space. So I work a lot with IT companies with some of my small accounts. If they don't have an IT company they work with in their area, I refer them to it, and vice versa. If they have clients they're looking for new imaging software companies, they reach out to me.
Yes.
And I'll take it from there.
I love it. Now I'm going to help you supercharge that. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. In technical sales, we get this a lot. We'll start the relationship and I'll be like, okay, you're in IT, I'm in imaging, we're both in these same accounts, let's help each other out. Yet both of us have very complex solutions. So what we need to do before we uncouple ourselves from that conversation is go, listen, okay, we're just gonna say that I'm ignorant, I'm blockheaded, I do jujitsu, I get choked out of my consciousness a little bit. I know you guys are in IT, I'm in imaging. What should if you could give me one or two things that I should be looking for when I am in these accounts, what would it be? And then you'll find, I've had this happen, I think it was this exact scenario. I'll tell you where our real money's at. Yeah, where's your real money? Our real money is going from Cat 5 to Cat 7. What the hell does that mean? Actually, don't even tell me. How do I spot Cat 5 versus Cat 7? And I believe the guy was like, look at their boxes on their wall and look at the ports. And I'm like, my eyesight's not that great. He's like, take a photograph of the port, send me the photo, right? And I'll know if that's a hot lead for me. That's really valuable information, by the way, for me to know. What does the ports look like in that office? And then if I was in medical imaging, I would say, man, that's awesome. Give me some crystal clear instructions. Let me save it in the notes in my phone. Along the same lines for you, I'm in imaging, okay? What I'm looking for are these old Philips 3D 2780s, okay? Hard for me to figure out if somebody has one. If somebody has a 3D 2780 machine, here's how you're gonna recognize it. It's blue, it's really large, and the logo looks like this. I'm gonna send you a picture of a graphic. You find a Philips 3D 2780, send that to me on the bat phone. When I find Cat 5 boxes, I'm gonna send that to you. And by the way, let's both talk really great about each other while we're in there. Fair enough? And then the next iteration of that, it should be that, because you don't want to drink too much in the first sitting, hey man, I'm finding these boxes. Give me a little bit more, right? Like I'm not trying to sell your product, but give me a little bit more high level, like why would somebody want to work with you? What's the ROI of them working with you? Great question. Their speeds go up, their reliability goes up, blah, 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 blah. Cool. In terms of us with these new machines, they don't have to preheat, and they're able to get where they used to only be able to do 7 MRIs in a day, they're able to do up to 30, right? Which probably works really good with your network too. But if they can go from 7 MRIs to 30, usually their return on investment, they're able to pay for the machine within about 11 months, right? Now we're each coaching each other in small stages, getting some expertise on each other's products. Again, guys, sounds like a lot of work. Kinda is. But if you're just gonna go out there and say, hey, you're in IT, I'm in imaging, let's help each other out, when that person gets in front of the client, they're not gonna remember you, right? So let's make it real easy. Here's what I want you to look for. In Jake's case, right, on a remodel, give me some specifics of exactly what you want me to look for. As far as a design, here's the client I want you to look for. And let's create little, almost like flashcards for each other. And that way, when you make it easy for people to do business with you and you make good on your promises, they will start flowing you a lot more business. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm gonna give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University Mini Masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.